Lost both legs in a bike accident. A conversation everyone should hear. Good morning, Rick. How are you feeling today? My entire body hurts, doctor. Everything feels strange. I can barely remember what happened. Why am I in intensive care? You were involved in a serious motorcycle accident 3 days ago. You suffered multiple injuries and underwent several emergency procedures. I remember riding my bike. I think I was racing with some friends. After that, everything is a blur. Is everyone else okay? Your friends survived with minor injuries. Unfortunately, your injuries were much more severe. You sound concerned. Please don't hide anything from me. I need to know the truth. I respect your courage, Rick. The accident caused catastrophic damage to both of your legs. The blood vessels, muscles, and bones were crushed beyond repair. Our surgical team worked for many hours to save them, but the injuries were irreversible. What exactly are you saying? To save your life, we had to amputate both of your legs. No. That's impossible. I know this is extremely difficult to hear. You're wrong. There must be some mistake. I can still feel them. What you're experiencing is called phantom sensation. Many patients feel as though their missing limbs are still present. It is a normal medical phenomenon. My legs are gone? Yes, Rick. Everything I loved involved motorcycles. Riding was my freedom. It was my identity. How am I supposed to live like this? What happened to you is tragic, and no words can erase the pain. However, your life is far more valuable than any physical ability. Recovery will be challenging, but many people in similar situations have rebuilt meaningful and successful lives. I don't know if I can. I keep thinking about that day. I was speeding. My friends told me to slow down, but I laughed at them. I thought I was invincible. Many young riders develop a false sense of confidence. Unfortunately, roads are unpredictable. A single reckless decision can change everything. If only I had listened. If only I had worn proper protective gear. If only I hadn't been trying to impress everyone. Regret is natural, but constantly reliving the past will only deepen your suffering. Instead, focus on what you can do from this moment forward. Can my parents come in? Of course. They have been waiting anxiously ever since the accident.
I can hardly recognize our lives anymore. 3 days ago, he left home smiling, and now everything has changed.
I know. We warned him countless times about speeding, but I never imagined the consequences would be this severe.
Do you think he will be able to accept what has happened?
It will take time. Right now, he needs our support, not our judgment. No matter what mistakes he made, he is still our son.
Every night I prayed that he would survive. I wasn't thinking about his motorcycle, his career, or anything else. I just wanted my child to live.
The accident has taken a lot from him, but it hasn't taken away his life. As long as he is alive, there is hope. Mr. Paul and Mrs. Clara, your son is awake. We have spoken for some time, and he would like to see both of you. Then we should be with him. Yeah, sure. Go inside one by one. First you, then when you back. Let his mother met him. I have to see another patient. I will back soon. Yeah, sure, thank you. Rick, my son. Dad. I'm so sorry. Sorry? Why are you apologizing? Because I didn't listen to either of you. You always warned me about speeding. You always told me to be careful. We warned you because we loved you, not because we wanted to control your life. I know that now. I thought you were being overly cautious. I thought nothing could happen to me. And now I've caused all of you so much pain. The pain comes from seeing you suffer, not from your mistakes. Parents never stop loving their children. But look at me. I've lost both my legs. Doctor has said that losing your legs does not mean losing your future. Rehabilitation, prosthetics, education, work, relationships, and personal achievements are still possible. Your future may look different from what you imagined, but it is still yours to build. So don't worry. Everything will be alright soon. I wish I could go back and change everything. Real maturity comes when we understand that actions have consequences. I understand that now, but the lesson came at a terrible price. You will never be alone. We will always with you. Now it's time me to go out. Your mother is waiting to meet you. She is so much worried, so control your emotions in front of her. Soon you will be discharged from hospital. We will be always with you, never let you down, my hero. Just relax now. Love you, Dad. Soon I will be okay. Love you too, my son, my hero. Bye, Dad. Bye, my son. Now it's time to meet our son. Come, my love, go inside. I have to discuss something with doctor about his treatment. I will back.
Okay, honey. I am going in. I can't wait anymore. Ah, my son.
Mom.
Thank God you're alive. We were so frightened.
But look at me. I've lost both my legs.
You are still our son. Your worth has never depended on your legs.
I wish I could go back and change everything.
We all wish that. But life only moves forward.
Do you really think I can help others?
Perhaps one day you can speak to young riders about road safety.
If my experience saves even one person from this fate, then at least some good will come from it. If I get a second chance at life, I won't waste it. I will work hard, adapt, and help others understand the dangers of reckless driving.
That's all we could ever ask for.
For the first time since waking up, I feel a small sense of hope.
We will face those challenges together. You will never be alone. Soon you will be discharged from hospital. Now meetup time is over. Maybe doctor is at door, my son. We are waiting outside in waiting area. Don't worry. Relax now, you need to rest for a while.
Thank you, Mom. I cannot change the accident, but I can change the person I become because of it.
Love you, my son. Take care of yourself.
Love you too, Mom.
Bye, my son.
Bye, Mom. Your son is now out of danger. Relax. It's time to give him rest. I'm going to see him.
Thank you, doctor. Yes, I have met him. Thanks God he is alive.
Hey man, now you're looking much better after meeting your parents. Thank you, Dr. Drake. You allowed them to meet me. Now, I am feeling better. I am also hopeful for future. Hold on to that hope. It will carry you through the challenges ahead. I spent years believing that speed made me powerful. Now I realize that true strength comes from responsibility and self-control. I deeply regret my reckless choices. If I had respected the rules, listened to my parents, and valued safety over excitement, my life would be very different today. Regret cannot rewrite the past, but wisdom can shape the future. Use your experience to become stronger and to guide others away from the mistakes that caused your suffering. Moral of the story: a few seconds of recklessness can create a lifetime of consequences. The advice of parents, safety rules, and responsible behavior may seem restrictive, but they exist to protect us. True courage is not riding fast or taking unnecessary risks. It is making wise decisions when excitement tempts us to do otherwise.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates.